Hi, in this video, I will share my step-by-step strategy for this brand that how we are able to make them profitable beyond six figure. Like alone in last month, if we see their results, they have achieved $205,000 of revenue with the ad spend of $36,200. They have achieved the ROAS of 5.67 in the January of 2025. Usually for the brands, the January is slow because it's just the end of the fourth quarter. But this e-commerce brand, we are able to maintain and even sustain the ROAS even in the tough times. And if I'm able to show the last 155 days, this brand has crossed $1 million in revenue, which is seven figures, with the ad spend of $183,000, maintaining the ROAS of 5.5. So if you see the history of this brand in September, this brand was not able to achieve 2.2 ROAS, but we are able to make it profitable and make it sustainably grow. Like in some weeks, it's able to cross 6 ROAS. So the purpose of this recording this video is to share my strategy and what we are doing different for this brand, which is helping them achieve these desired numbers. So like we can talk about the basic points and basic structures that we are implementing for this brand. Like there are a couple of campaign types that exist in the Google ads: the performance max, the video campaign, search campaigns. For this brand specifically, if you can see out here, the highest amount spent is being gone to the performance max. So the top three campaigns with the highest spend are the Performance Max. Then comes the search campaigns, Performance Max, then search. So I can share you the breakdown of spending for this account. 80% of the ad spend is being invested in the Performance Max, where majority of the inventory is the shopping listings. Then comes the non-branded search campaigns. Like you can see in the account, there are some non-branded campaigns, search campaigns. These search campaigns are actually targeting the specific product categories in the website. So the 18% of the marketing investment is going towards the very targeted search ads with a targeted keyword, so that it only hits the high intent traffic on the search channels. Then there is 2% of the ad spend is in being invested in the dynamic search ads, where Google is able to decide the headlines and Google is able to pick the content, like on which keywords the users are searching for, and where we need to show in the market. So that's the overall bigger picture about the account, which campaign types, which segments are taking the marketing investment. The next stage is like the structure of these campaigns. For example, I can share you the breakdown of structure. For example, this Performance Max campaign, this is actually targeting all the products that are not winners. For example, in order to simplify it, there is a one best selling category on this website. They are promoting all the products other than that best selling category in the first campaign with the highest amount of spend. So what's happening out here is that the majority of the budget is going towards all those products that are on the average ROAS, so that they can get potential. Usually when you combine all of them, the winner category is taking all of the budgets. So in this campaign they are investing majority of the budget in a one campaign, where this campaign is also running only on weekends and evenings. For example, like it's not showing on the weekdays. Specifically this campaign structure, in this campaign, it's targeting all the products, all the SKUs other than the one best selling category. Then becomes the second highest spending campaign. This campaign has the strategy of, it has all the SKUs of the website and it's showing only on the weekends and only on the evening hours. For example, evening hours start from 8 p.m. to 12 in the night, and then from 12 to 6 a.m. in the night. So at that time this second campaign is being shown, and it has all the SKUs. Then the third campaign, this is the campaign that has all those SKUs that is a profitable category of the website, that is a winner category. So this has a dedicated budget for it. Then comes the search campaign. Search campaign, as usual, there are a couple of organized in a way on the basis of categories and on the basis of brands, because this site is selling couple of brands for a special category. And the fourth, performance specs campaign. This campaign is actually targeting those SKUs that are on the clearance sale for this website. So this is the bigger picture about the structure of the account. You have the idea. And in the dynamic search ads campaign structure, this campaign is having all the landing pages of the website, all the product pages, and letting Google AI decide which product to pick and which keyword to show ads on them. The next thing I would like to share about that is that I would like to share the strategy, like complete campaign settings. What are the bidding strategies? What are the brand exclusions or keywords or whatever it is that exists inside the account? What strategies that we are using for this account? So you can see we are using all language targeting. In certain cases, when you're having not profitable results, you can try the language targeting, but I recommend not doing the language targeting in the start. Let Google AI decide, because anyways Google AI is able to pick out the product pages to choose which language to show ads to. We are not using any brand exclusions, no third parties measurements. And in terms of asset optimizations, we are using enhancement turned on for the videos. For example, if we are already having certain videos targeted, Google can use its AI to complement the things. It's US targeted, and specifically in US, you should be excluding Alaska and Hawaii, because these are the areas that should not be eating your budget, because it's very hard to make it profitable until unless your products are designed for that geographic region. The next thing is, if we just jump into the asset groups and structures, this is the highest spending campaign as I have opened it. So you can see it's not so much segmented, it's just catch all. Like it has all the products included in one asset group, filtered in one inventory listing. And on top of it, it's using mix of audience signals. For example, if there is 25 search terms limit, then all the subcategory names, all the major names of the products are included in the search terms, and then all the remarketing audiences are added into it, and the customer list, YouTube video views, because this company has a YouTube channel which generate a lot of views. So all the people who are viewing their YouTube video, they are being targeted in the ads in the shopping listings. Another thing I would like to share about the brand is that you should be focusing on the insights tab. And in insights tab, you can see, in the auction sites, like the performance of your brand. For example, in this brand, you can see the top impression share is being taken by the Amazon, and after that, our brand is able to take the market share of 53%. Then these two other brands are taking the share respectively. So this gives a bigger picture about the brand, that what percentage of the market share is being taken by you and your competitors. Another important thing is that you should be looking at this search terms report, and here you are able to see, which keyword categories are generating you the highest revenues. So you can filter it by last 28 days, and you can see, you can get very a lot helpful keywords that you can further target in your audience signals, that which are converting for you. So this I recommend to monitor in order to optimize the campaigns for the ongoing basis. In terms of bidding strategy for this brand, we are using target ROAS to achieve our desired results. Like it's being targeted at 470% target ROAS biddings. Internally, we have a checklist based process, that so I am able to supervise accounts and ensure that they are optimized to the fullest, and Google AI is actually not taking the budget to the wrong dimensions. Soon, I will try to make a checklist public that we internally use to optimize the account, and it's a very extensive checklist. Right now, it's a little complex to manage, because we're trying to make it easier to understand. So for the end users and for the small to medium sized business owners, so that they can take benefit out of this checklist. And I will try to make it in a more readable and more actionable way. And I will try to make it public on our website, and the link will be in the description below. Optimization strategies that are highlighted in this video are totally customized to this business, and these things, the one thing that is working for one brand might not work for the other brands. So it has to be very personalized. It has to be dependent upon the customer avatar, the target audience, and the outreach strategy of that brand. If you need an extra help to scale your brand to the next level with paid media ads, contact me for a consultation, complimentary audit to see what we can do to make it even more profitable and more scalable. Thank you.